In today's video, we're going to talk about October 2021 Visa Bulletin Board. We won't be able to talk about NVC update today because they didn't update their website. And also, we will talk about DV 2021 Visa Applicant Update. If it's something you want to know, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome here. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also US citizens regarding their immigration questions. And sometimes we talk about different topics, and also I give advice to newcomers to United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. But today's video, like I say in the introduction, is about October 2021 Visa Bulletin Board and also DV 2021 Visa Applicant Update. Okay, some of you guys who petition for your relative, you know that once the case is approved by USCIS, if your relative lives here in the United States of America, that relative we get a notification from USCIS to adjust his or her status. In case your relative will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, NVC National Visa Center will notify the visa applicant and the petitioner to start the immigrant visa process. Okay, usually on Tuesday I update you guys on NVC update, cases, document, and email they are working on. But this week until now, they didn't update on their website, so we decided to talk about Visa Bulletin Board since it's the end of the month. Okay, so Visa Bulletin Board basically is for people who are not immediate relative. Okay, people who are not spouse of U.S. citizen, people who are not children under age of U.S. citizen, people who are not parent of a U.S. citizen, because you guys have to check a Visa Bulletin Board to see if your priority date is current. Okay, so once your priority date is current, that's when USCIS or NVC will send you a notification based on the level of your application in the process. Okay, so guys, if you are ready to see the Visa Bulletin Board chart, let's go in front of my computer. Okay guys, like I said, today we're gonna check family sponsor preferences on the Visa Bulletin Board of October 2021. Just a prediction of October 2021. Well, we're gonna start it, like I said, with family sponsor preferences. We have different categories. We got first category, second category, third category, and then fourth category. So for first category, we have unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. And then on the second category, we have F1, which is spouses and children of permanent resident. Okay, and also we have F2, which is unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. of a permanent resident, 21 years of age or older. Okay, and then in F3 category, we have married sons and daughters of a U.S. citizen, as you can see here. And then the fourth category is brothers and sisters of adult U.S. citizens. Okay, so now we're gonna check date for filing. So date for filing, for some of you guys who are new here, it's basically when your I-130 petition is approved. Okay, so if your relative lives here in the United States of America and the I-130 is approved by USCIS, that relative will adjust his or her status. Okay, so if the relative is not immediate relative, let's say the person is in F1 category, well, that person has to check on this chart and see if the priority date is current. So priority date is basically the date the I-130 petition was filed. Okay, that person has to check if the priority date is current, because once the priority date is current, that's when the person is going to be able to actually receive a notification from USCIS to adjust his or her status. Okay, but if the person will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, that's when NVC will send a welcome letter to the petitioner and the beneficiary to start the immigrant visa process. So over here, for date for filing chart for F1 category, as you can see here, we have on Philippines, the cutoff date is April 22nd 2015, meaning that if your priority date is before this day, well, you're gonna receive a notification from either USCIS or NVC. Okay, for Mexico, the cutoff date here is on August 1st 2000. India, May 15 2016. China, mainland born on same date, and also the rest of the countries of the world, except on these three right here, we'll have to check on this date. Okay, and then for F2A category, we have Philippines, which is June 1st 2021. Mexico, same thing. India, same thing. China, mainland born, same thing. And the rest of the country of the world, same thing. Okay, and then if we move to F2B category, for F2B category, we have on Philippines, October 1st 2013. Mexico on October 1st 2000. India, September 22nd 2016. China, mainland born, the rest of the country of the world, same date. For F3 category in final action date chart, we have on Philippines, October 1st 2003. Mexico, September 8 2000. And India, August 22nd 2009. China, mainland born, the same date, and then the rest of the country of the world, same date. And then F4 category in date for filing chart, we have Philippines on February 1st 2004. Mexico, June 1st 1999. India, January 1st on 2006. China, mainland born, we got October 1st 2007, and the rest of the country of the world, same date. Okay, so now the second chart we're going to check is going to be final action date. So final action date is basically when your case is documented to qualify, and you're waiting for your interview appointment. Okay, so that's the phase. So once your case is documented to qualify, and the priority date is in this chart is current, that's when you're going to receive your interview appointment. In case your relative lives here in the United States of America, for final action date, that's when that person will receive a notification to go to interview, fingerprint, all those stuff, until he or she gets the green card. Okay, so for this chart, for F1 category, we have Philippines. The date on the cutoff date is March 1st 2012, meaning that if your priority date is before this date, you should receive a notification from either NVC National Visa Center or USCIS. For Mexico, we have on January 15 1999. India, December 1st 2014. China, mainland born, December 1st 2014, and then the rest of the country of the world, same thing. Okay, so for F2A category in final action date, if you see here, we have on CCCC. It means it's current. It means that there is you don't have to check any date against your priority date. It's current, and you guys, people who are in this category, should wait for interview appointment letter or a notification from USCIS to go to interview, to do fingerprint and all that. Okay, and then for F2B category, we're gonna have Philippines here. So Philippines is going to be October 2011. Okay, October 22nd 2011. I'm sorry. Mexico, March 15 2000. India, we got September 22nd 2015. China, mainland born, the rest of the country of the world on same date. For F3 category, the final action date for Philippines is going to be, you see here, it's gonna be on June 8 2002. Mexico, May 15 1997. India, November 22nd 2008. China, mainland born, and the rest of the country of the world the same date. And then for F4 category, if you can see here, for F4 category for Philippines is on August 22nd 2002. Mexico, February 8 1999. India, September 15 2005. China, mainland born on March 22nd 2007, and the rest of the country of the world same date. Okay, so basically those are the update we have for October 2021 visa bulletin board. Or if you have any question, please feel free to let me know in the description below. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we're going to talk about DV 2021 visa applicants. Some of you guys who won lottery visa last year, you're supposed to go to your immigrant visa appointment this year. Well, the end of fiscal year is on September 30th for 2021 in 2 days. So normally, if you will go to your interview, you should receive your interview appointment letter by now, and then go to your interview and get your visa by the end of this month, which is on September 30, 2021, like I say. But if you didn't receive your interview appointment letter, unfortunately, you won't be able to go to your interview appointment and then get immigrant visa to come to United States of America. But one thing I'm gonna tell you guys, I told you before on probably last week, is if you didn't get your interview appointment letter, you are unable to go to your visa interview. Well, make sure you register again. You register for DV 2022, which is going to start next month. Okay, make sure you register, because chances are you will win again. Because I know people who won a lottery visa the first time, they didn't get a second letter, or they didn't have a chance to go to interview. Well, when they register again the following year, they win and they get a second letter. They were able to go to immigrant visa interview appointment, get an immigrant visa to come to United States of America. So don't get discouraged. I know it's kind of you're gonna feel bad because you won, but you are unable to get an interview appointment, or you are unable to get your immigrant visa to come to United States of America. Things happen, but well, don't get discouraged. Register again next month when the registration starts. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share it with that person. If you like the video, well, click on the like button. If you want to see me again in another video, all you gotta do is click on the notification bell. That way, once I have a new video, you're gonna be notified first. If you want to be part of this USA Monde YouTube family, well, you can click on the subscribe button. That way, you're gonna be one of our subscribers. If you want to support the channel, we have a USA Monde shop. The link is in the description below, or you can go to uscimonde.com, click on the USA Monde shop, and that will take you to the website. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.